The phrase, "We are not all in the same boat. We are in the same storm. Some have yachts, some have canoes, and some are drowning," serves as a poignant reminder of the disparities that exist in society, especially during challenging times. It highlights that while we may all face the same overarching challenges, our individual circumstances and resources can vastly differ. The storm, shared challenges. The storm represents the universal hardships and crises that affect society, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, economic downturns, or natural disasters. These events impact everyone to some extent, creating a shared sense of struggle and uncertainty. During the COVID-19 pandemic, everyone faced the threat of the virus and the subsequent lockdowns. The storm was the global health crisis that no one could avoid. Different boats, varying levels of privilege. The metaphorical boats illustrate the different levels of privilege and resources that people have to navigate through the storm. These differences can be seen in terms of financial stability, access to healthcare, social support, and living conditions. Yachts. Those in yachts represent the individuals or families who have significant resources and support systems. They are well equipped to weather the storm with minimal disruption to their lives. Example, wealthy individuals who could work from home comfortably, had access to private healthcare, and could afford to take precautions without financial strain. Canoes. Those in canoes symbolize people who have some resources but are still vulnerable. They can manage through the storm, but it requires considerable effort and there is a constant risk of being overwhelmed. Example, middle-class families who faced job insecurity and had limited savings, making it challenging to cope with the prolonged economic impact. Drowning. Those who are drowning depict the most vulnerable individuals who lack the necessary resources and support to stay afloat. They are the hardest hit by the storm and struggle to survive. Example, low-income workers who lost their jobs, lacked health care, and faced housing instability during the pandemic. The phrase concludes with a call to action: just be kind and help whoever you can. This emphasizes the importance of empathy, compassion, and solidarity in times of crisis. Recognizing our varying levels of privilege and extending a helping hand to those less fortunate can make a significant difference. Example, volunteering at food banks, donating to charities, supporting local businesses, and checking in on neighbors are all ways to show kindness and provide support. Understanding the metaphor of different boats in the same storm helps to highlight the inequalities that exist in society. It reminds us that while we may face common challenges, our abilities to cope can be vastly different. By acknowledging these differences and committing to acts of kindness, we can help create a more supportive and resilient community. Thanks and subscribe for more.